Hi there, my name's Lucy Whitaker. I'm a motoring offence and transport solicitor and the director of Pragma Law. I'm here just to give those of you who are facing their first court hearing a little bit of an overview as to what to expect. It's applicable to most offences really that are being dealt with in the Magistrates court, although of course I deal with motoring offences, so this is it's those people who are facing motoring allegations that this video is aimed at. I should also say that it's predominantly aimed at those who are facing what is known as a summary only offence or offences, which means that it can only be dealt with by the Magistrates court. Now, most motoring offences are summary only. There are some exceptions, however. Now, either way offences and indictable only offences, they're more serious offences, and either way offences means that the offence can be dealt with either by the Magistrates court or by the Crown Court. An example of this is causing death by careless driving. And then on the higher end of seriousness, although obviously causing death is always serious, but the very most serious offence in terms of motoring is causing death by dangerous driving, which is indictable only. So only the Crown Court can deal with that. Now, this video is really aimed more at those of you who are just facing the summary only offence, because if you have an either way or an indictable only offence, then there's the real risk of imprisonment, and you're likely to have representation. They can explain and answer any questions you may have. So the first thing I'll say about when you go to court is that you almost always have to take your driving licence with you. The court will have a record of any endorsements on your licence and your details, but you should take the card with you because you may need to hand that in if they're going to endorse your licence or it's going to be taken away from you. So always take it with you. The other thing is that if you are intending to plead guilty, you really need to complete a financial means form. Now, quite often those forms are sent out with the postal requisition or the summons, whichever you receive, and you can complete that, take it with you to court or send it back to court. If you don't get one of those, for example, if you're charged with drink driving and therefore get a charge sheet rather than a summons or postal requisition, don't worry, you can get one of those on the day at court. Obviously, if I'm representing you, I can provide you with one anyway, but you can get one at the day of court and complete it there. And it's not a difficult form to complete, and you don't actually need to back it up with any financial evidence. You don't need to take bank statements or anything. The court will take you at your word as to what you put on there. So obviously you must tell the truth on that form, but do not exaggerate your earnings, because your financial penalty will be based on what you put on that form, and therefore you don't want to be given a larger penalty than you actually deserve.